Hello and welcome everybody to another WordPress tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to add anchor text in your WordPress post or page. Right now we're in a post. I've already set up, so this is my story. I hope you like my story a lot. We're going to be using the word story as our anchor text for today's example. So, we're going to have to go to the text box, and I know how dreaded that is, but I promise it won't be that difficult. A little HTML never hurt anybody. So here's where we see what we saw in our visual. So this is my story, and like I said, we're going to use story for the anchor text, and that's going to bring us to a different position on the page. And I have already copy and pasted, I'm going to paste the HTML code. And there it is. Try to zoom in for you. Okay, and you'll see inside, here it is. And that's what you're going to want to copy, except you're going to change a couple things. Story. That's the word I'm using because that's what we're going to want to link. And the number 1, that's just how I like to label it because that will be the first thing it links to on the bottom of the page. And then I'll go number 2, number 3, number 4, etc. You could do it any way you want, ABC or whatever crazy pattern you may come up with. But there it is, so copy that link. And let's scroll down a bit and bring it to here. We're going to want to link, bring the anchor text to link it down here. Whoa. Story. Okay, here's where it should bring us if it works. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a new link. I have already copied and I am now going to paste it. And there you go. Right here is what I just put in. Okay, and you'll notice the number 1. And that's how you're gonna, because that's what I had linked it to up top. So that should bring us to that area. So now let's link another word, and we'll link it to another area of the page. And let's anchor the word boy. Capitalized it for you. You don't need to capitalize it. I was just doing that for visual effects. Okay, now this is going to be the same we used above. I'm sorry, it's going on 2 lines here. But basically that's the same as up top. I just changed the word story and the number 1 to number 2. Okay, so I got boy there, and number 2, because that's going to be our second link on the page. And let's scroll all the way down to the bottom for this one, and let's link boy here. And you're going to, again, use that same code we used the second time for story, except you're going to with the word, the number 2, instead of number 1 as we did for story. Okay, and there's the number 2. So if it works, let's go to our visual. Just see, and there's the links, and you'll see I have story in there twice. So you can just take out that was for you guys, your visual. There's the capital boy I put in. So that was just for you guys, and you can follow along. Alright, and over here, our number 1 link, you'll see a little anchor next to the word story. And if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, zoom in here for you, we'll see an anchor in front of the word boy. And that is our second anchor link. Let's go to preview, check it out and see if this worked. mean, that's it, guys. That wasn't too difficult, assuming it has worked for us. So there's story. It's linked. Give it a click. Brought us a little further down the page, but there it is. If you had a whole big paragraph here, it would bring it right to the center. And then here's boy. Let's give that a link. Click. And that brings us all the way down to the bottom. And there you go. I see I have some editing to do. Link boy. But that's it, guys. I mean, that wasn't too hard. That was less than 6 minutes. That was about 5 minutes. Don't forget to save your draft. And when you're ready, go and publish it. I hope that was really helpful for you guys, and if it was, I'd appreciate a comment, a like, a share, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.